Then we have the paper on reviewing key issues of operational risk credit modeling. And so there's the discussion here of the actuarial approach, specifically loss distribution approach, or LDA as an actuarial approach, which is in the FRM going to be the most common approach to operational risk. And at the heart of it here is the identification of operational loss cells. And oftentimes that's because the bank also needs to meet regulatory requirements, and the Basel framework dictates the use of a business line event type matrix. And so we have operational loss cells. And the essential feature here of the LDA is this idea that we take the frequency, that we can characterize the frequency of operational losses and compound or convolute that with the severity of the operational loss conditional on them occurring. So if you think about any sort of generic operational losses, they occur with some frequency, and then having conditional on their occurrence, they have some severity. And of course, the frequency will be a discrete distribution, almost always, a counting distribution, and the severity distribution will tend to be a continuous distribution. And so then another common dilemma that we see thematic with operational risk is a difficulty of having lots of relevant data in the loss tail, and the need to complement any internal data with some, or supplement with other data sources, including consortium, commercial, and external. So compounding or convoluting or tabulating these two together into gross losses, deducting for the benefits of any insurance, net lossing, gives the firm an aggregate. Also, the key idea to include correlations or dependencies. Probably would be better to say dependencies there. And then an overall